Hello traders, Alla on August 29th. As we're closing on this month of August, I warned you for months. Get ready, the 1,000-point drop on Friday is a preview of much more extreme events to come. You absolutely must be prepared. The next market, as volatility shows very clear, there is no place to go but up. Will test you to the core, will test your trading skills, will test your investment skills. And if you do understand price action, if you do not gamble, do not chase indicators, you will do just fine, because volatility is a gift for intelligent trader. So we discussed before we close out on Friday that powerful pullback is a crucial part, that we need selling pressure, we need the crush. That's exactly what happened after Powell's speech. 1,000 points drop is a stunning reminder. Know where not to buy, what not to enter into, know where to short from. What do you see on this short? Take a look how crucial this target is, how critical. Price reversed 10 points instantly. How critical this target is? Price reversed 10 points. What does this mean? What do you see by looking at this chart? Bigger the crash, more spectacular rallies will be. This is a bullish correction on this Monday. Far in advance you understand. Now is not the market to buy or sell. We are dealing with extremely weak buyers. Market in excruciating pain. Market been in pain for the last 12 hours. This is only bullish correction. The response at this level is critical part. That's it. Do not speculate. Do not gamble. Understand. This is the beginning of new normal. Traders who are chasing indicators, traders who speculating and trading with random stops and random targets will be in for surprise. Trader who understands price action, very well prepared and knows far in advance. This is crucial key moment that will define markets for hours and days to come. Here's the software right now in front of me. We discussed market dealing with extremely narrow trading range. So if you've been shorting near this level for the last 12 hours, it's not a good idea. This is key support level. And price can be chopping between these two levels for many hours. All depends at response at this level. It's in front of you. So what do you see on this chart? What's important to understand? Institutions can afford to buy anywhere. Bigger the crash, more spectacular the rally. Institutions love buying on the way down. Institutions love averaging down, averaging up. So if you think in bearish markets, you will always need to short, absolutely not. Bearish markets require drastically more skill. Knowing what not to short into is critical, crucial part. And that's what market will test you and show you next. But first things are first, as you was witnessing exactly what we discussed with traders well before market open. This is critical key moment. This level is out, this level is next. If bullish correction picking up this steam, monitor for short here, nowhere near here. So first things are first. Let's go to weekly chart as S&P testing critical Alpha Fibonacci resistance. This is a market. This is what we identified months in advance. We discussed this is brick wall. Price always moves one step at a time. We discussed powerful selling pressure is a gift. So if I take you back, in case you missed the events, from our trading room for the last 2 months, this was a market. This was a start of the bullish rally. Months of June. So since months of June, if you've been buying the market, you're intelligent, brilliant trader. Let's go further. Let's go to May. As S&P testing critical key brick wall. Here's May. Price testing key, institutional buy point. This is war announcement. First week of the war, market skyrocketing 350 points. Second, horrific rate increase, worst rate increase in 20 years. How is it possible? Another bullish rally, 150 points. Institutional orders sitting and waiting to be filled. Do you understand that part? Institutions do not pull trigger randomly. 150-point bullish rally despite worst rate increase is a stunning reminder. No institutional buy points. No, were institutions looking to enter positions. This was a start. You are not shorting near this level. Day trading is a dream the month of June. Market skyrocketing at the end of June, July. Day trading is easy in July. By the end of July, bullish rally picking up the steam. By the time of August, bullish rally reaches key Fibonacci brick wall. Price danced between 4,300 and 4,100 for 3 weeks. After Powell's speech Friday afternoon, market started selling off. What does the intelligent trader understands with a single glimpse? Move is down, move is not up. Down. And what price does right now in front of you? Showing you that. Get ready for much more extreme events. Buyers are weak. This is only bullish correction. If price is struggling to break through this level, you're dealing with 5-to-1 sellers versus buyers. But again, you cannot short near this level. You're shorting near this level, your success rate less than 10%. Market in pain, you're shorting as high as possible. And this is software. Very important moment. The key. That's it. And that's how you trade markets as intelligent chess game. Nothing less. You do not speculate. You do not gamble. You understand. Market is Alpha Fibonacci chess. So this is critical key moment, separating strength from weakness. We've been in bullish correction for the last 12 hours. Exact same thing playing out on Bitcoin for the last 6 months. The crash on Bitcoin was spectacular. With Alpha Fibonacci System, you knew where to exit. This is massive junk. This is nothing. Bitcoin selling off again, as I said, for many, many months. 20 is out, 15 is next. 15 is out, 10 to follow. Ouch! It's not the time to buy Bitcoin. Intelligent trader knows this with a single glimpse. But there are other cryptos that giving spectacular points of entries on long-term chart. It does not apply to Bitcoin. But again, as S&P remains in pain, here is Bitcoin in the month of January 1. Here we go. The start of selling pressure, testing key support. Not the place to buy. It's Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. That's it. Can you make an effort? Can you do that? Can you understand where to exit your long? Can you be a disciplined trader? If you can drive, you can trade Alpha Fibonacci system that shows you stay in your lane when you trade. And that's the market now, testing you to the core. Buyers are weak, market in pain. But if I convert this chart to 5, oops, what a dangerous dance. This is the place where shorts fail. This is a place that defines bullish weakness. Narrow trading range, market in pain. The problem for shorts, brick wall is near, very, very close. On day trading chart, it tells you now, you don't want to short this. Single glimpse is all you need. That's it. Identical thing on S&P as playing out on Bitcoin now. You trade markets as Alpha Fibonacci chess. Move is down on Bitcoin, move is not up. It's black and white, it's pure, it's simple. My heart goes out to those who gambled because of hype, as we're discussing in every single class. Bitcoin is nasty, it's not the plan to buy. It's not. Buyers are weak. Bitcoin sold off from exact same place where S&P is struggling now. And you knew this months ahead. That's it. And if I take you to Apple, this was a time to buy Apple. This is not. Not. Apple testing key support to the downside. In these markets, you need to know where to enter, where to exit. That's it. You do not speculate, you do not gamble. Netflix, my favorite event of 2022. Phenomenal, breathtaking rush. Buyers are very weak on Netflix. Again, if I take you back on Netflix, 6 months ago, what is the difference? Top hedge fund in US buying Netflix. We're discussing with students, it's not a brilliant move. Netflix setting up for crash. Move is down, not up. What is the price telling you now to the tick? What? Tell me. Do you want to gamble? Do you want to speculate? Or do you understand the weakness? This is crucial, critical test point. Right now on day trading chart, buyers in charge. Again, but stuck at brick wall. No speculation, no gambling here. Intelligent thing to do, to be on sideline, not to gamble with your money. Trading range is narrow. This is the reason trading room is open, so you can see to the tick precision of the system. And this is a part that's extremely clear. So while Aikman can afford to dump 1.1 billion on Netflix at reversal zone, and being sued right now by his investors, you cannot. You are so much smarter than Aikman if you're trading Alpha Fibonacci System. He took $400 million loss. So when he was taking this position, we were discussing in classes. You are so much smarter than Aikman if you're trading Alpha Fibonacci System. You do not buy reversal zone when price is telling you move is down. Netflix collapsed from 700 to 160. This is a lesson in these markets where you're witnessing again and again and again. You cannot trust anyone with your money. You can only trust your brilliant brain and your brilliant effort. Here is more as S&P remains in pain, in brutal, horrific pain. Let's go through other instruments, shall we? You don't have to wait for days, weeks, and months to see the power of the system. You see it to the tick now. Price is stuck. Here we go. Here is Tesla. Before the split, correct? In massive bearish correction. No speculation, no gambling here. If you bought Tesla, you bought Tesla here. You did not buy Tesla here. You're an intelligent human being. You are not a gambler. You're turning off your gambling switch. So how does the gambler thinks? The gambler thinks, I need guarantee that I will be successful. Oops, I just heard that line when someone wanted to join the course. I said, only you can give guarantee to you. Can you make an effort? Can you practice? Can you execute? Can you do what Djokovic, Federer, Williams, Hamilton, every single successful human being does? Can you? Can you pass the test? Can you practice on demo? If the answer is yes, the sky's the limit with Alpha Fibonacci System, as traders trade globally on all instruments from 14 to 86-year-old, from micro to macro accounts. Can you give guarantee to you that you will make an effort? Can you give guarantee to you that you can drive your car and do not crash? You're using identical brain. You have only single brain. How you train your brain will determine your success. How you practice is crucial, critical, absolutely essential. That's it. Do not speculate, do not gamble with your money. Use your brilliant brain. And that's Identical Structure Now on Netflix. Identical Structure Now on Tesla. Identical structure on every single instrument because price remains exactly the same. So how Nasdaq collapsed from reversal zone is no surprise. It was flawless. It was spectacular. And you knew it well before Powell's speech. Not the place to buy. Nasdaq in exact same bullish correction now, testing identical level to the tick. Again, not the place to short. Intelligent trader knows this. Again, well before it happens. So when you use your brilliant brain and make an effort, the skies are the limit. Here's Nasdaq now at identical level. Identical. And it doesn't matter what chart you trade. Nasdaq at brick wall and been here for hours and hours and hours. Buyers fully in charge on Nasdaq, but if this brick wall remains, Nasdaq is stuck. Again, doesn't matter what chart you trade. System applies to all instruments, all time frames. Success looks for answers in self. Failure looks for guarantee. So ask yourself, can you guarantee you that you will make an effort? Can you separate weakness from power? Can you obey narrow trading range? If the answer is yes, I look forward working with you. Because if you view students' performance, if these traders can do it, so can you. Black and white, simple, account statements non-stop, going only up. Doesn't matter if you trade Forex, crypto, or futures. Doesn't matter if you trade options. Can you guarantee you that you will make an effort? Can you guarantee you that you can trade system, trade it globally on all instruments, traders from beginner to institutional trader? If the answer is yes, the sky's the limit on what you can trade during extreme market conditions. The events will become drastically more extreme, but these traders prepared very well. They're making an effort. They rely on institutional system and their brilliant mind and their brilliant ethics. So if student can do this, 86% success rate with profit factor $17.81. It's on $1. What trader makes? So can you. That's it. Simply review everything on homepage and understand. This is global system traded on all instruments. You can trade system on all platforms or with software for Ninja Trader 8. Choose from 4 options below and listen to students' podcasts. We're off to the live class after the close of the trading room. If you're signing up right now, you will be in class. You're not staring at witness. You're not staring at pain. You're not listening to hype. You're not gambling. You're not chasing cheap junky delayed indicators. Every single indicator delayed. Alpha Fibonacci system is predictive. All depends on chart you trade. So please choose from option appropriate for you. Private mentoring, last option. Overbooked. If you're considering private mentoring, speak with me first. Group course is second most popular option. Any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Market stuck. Market frozen. In day trading, precision is crucial, critical. Price told you not to short. Price told you if buyers pick up this theme, this level is next. This is ultimate precision. Never ignore bold pink line. Never ever enter into. This is day trading chart. This is where multi-million-dollar positions are held. This is institutional entry points. So when you ride institutional power, you stop gambling. You start using your brilliant brain. And when buyers pick up this theme and you did not gamble, did not short the market, you are a brilliant trader again and again and again. Support is near. Why in the world would you short? As very, very clear, for the last 12 hours, all shorts failed. Market in bullish correction. That's it. Do not speculate. Do not gamble. Exact same thing playing out on US dollar CAD. Prices stuck. US dollar will skyrocket only higher. This level is out, this level is next. But first things are first. US dollar been at this level for the last 4 months. Good for us Americans, not good for Europeans. Not. All depends on response at this level, where euro keeps selling from. Buyers are weak on euro. Buyers are weak on S&P. Agree? My goodness. This is day trading level. On little chart, little money trading. Bigger the chart, bigger the money. In the trading room, you see precision instantly. But you decide how you want to use the system. It's black and white. And when VIX will tell you that the only place is up, you making an effort. You do not waste your time on junk. Get ready for a wild one. VIX is telling you so. Get ready for a wild one. Price is telling you so. That's it. You decide if day trading is for you, and if not, use system long term on stocks, on Forex, on crypto, on ETFs, on mutual funds, on options, as traders do globally since 2011. If they can do it, so can you. Simply use the rules and practice. This is what every successful human being does. It can be you.